In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a lesson as a pupil and how to end a lesson. When invited to a lesson, pupils can find the lesson link under the Lessons tab on the menu bar. They'll see any lessons their teacher has invited them to here. The lesson name will be shown alongside their class name, class teacher, and the lesson date and time. There are then two clickable options, Start Lesson and View Lesson. These green buttons will only be shown if a lesson invitation has been sent by the teacher. If we click View Lesson, we can see which other pupils have been invited to the lesson and also get access to the lesson resources with the option to download them. Teachers can upload lesson resources here for pupils to look at in advance, or attach homework here for pupils to download and complete. If I click Start Lesson, before I can join the lesson, a message appears. This reminds pupils that they should remember their school behaviour expectations when inside a lesson and also notifies them the lesson is being recorded. Pupils must click Yes before they can enter the online classroom. They will then see audio options. They can either use their microphone or opt for a listen-only option. Teachers ultimately have control over pupil audio and visual settings, but we recommend pupils enable the microphone setting at this point in case their teacher would like them to access this feature. Depending on the computer's settings, pupils may have to allow BOFAclassroom access to the microphone separately. Pupils then need to test that their microphone is working and are now part of the lesson. To end a lesson, the teacher needs to click the three dots in the corner to reveal a drop-down menu. Then choose End Lesson. They will be asked to confirm that they wish to end the session and will be redirected back to the home page.